Hi, so here I'm going to talk in brief about autism spectrum disorder. Autism spectrum disorder, or ASD, is a developmental disorder that affects communication and behavior. Though autism spectrum disorder can be diagnosed at any age, it is said to be a developmental disorder because symptoms generally start appearing in the first 2 years of life. Autism is known as a spectrum disorder because there is wide variation in the type and severity of symptoms people experience. According to DSM-5, that is 5th edition of the Diagnostic Statistical Manual of Mental Disorder, ASD is divided in 5 sections, that is section A, B, C, D, and E. These 5 sections define 5 major diagnostic criteria for autism spectrum disorder. Section A. Individuals with ASD show persistent deficits in social communication and social interaction. They find it hard to start or continue a conversation. They show deficits in nonverbal communication, deficits in reciprocity, deficits in making friends. Section B. Individuals with ASD show restricted and repetitive behaviors. They follow a certain ritual and remain obsessed with their ritual, thus showing excessive resistance to change, showing echolalia, or maybe eating the same food every day, wearing the same clothes every day, so repetitive behavior. Section C. The symptoms of ASD are present in early developmental period, but they manifest only when social demands exceed the capacity. Section D. The symptoms cause clinically significant impairment in social, occupational, or other important areas of daily functioning. So the symptoms have to cause significant problem and troubles in the lives of individuals suffering from ASD. Section E. All these disturbances are not better explained by intellectual disability or global developmental delay. So, ASD should not be confused with intellectual disability or global developmental delay or just social communication disorder. In DSM-5, further distinctions are made according to the severity level of the symptoms. The severity levels are named as Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3. These levels are based on the amount of support needed by an individual with ASD. That's all. Thank you.